All right, guys. So now we're on section three, introduction and technical analysis. We're gonna go over technical analysis, support and resistance, basic market structure, and basic volume and price action, so you can actually analyze the chart properly, and segue into making decisions based off of what you see on the chart and understanding like what you actually see in front of you outside of the information you get from candlesticks. Um, this section is a little bit beefier, so obviously make sure you're paying attention and you're taking notes and following along. Um, yeah, here we go. So, technical analysis in a nutshell, it's the study of previous market data and statistical figures to identify, different patterns, trends, and basically allows you to kind of make inferences or predictions, and just see where potential turning points are in like the market and certain stocks. So, understanding market behavior and why and how things are happening based off of patterns. So, yeah, the main idea history is always going to repeat itself. And, humans in mass, so anybody who's participating in the market, we're all predictable and, everybody's habitual. Everybody has habits and they're habitual in their responses to supply and demand and, just different events that happen. So traders like myself and traders like you, the main goal and what we do is we build repeatable and replicable strategies to consistently extract money out of the market, and we do that by studying and interpreting these different responses, based on probabilities and historical data and obviously the risks associated with taking those or making those decisions. And I'm teaching you technical analysis for the stock market, but technical analysis can be carried over into any market because of the fact that you're learning technical analysis on a candlestick chart, and lots of different markets, financial markets, whether it's crypto, forex, um, futures, they all use candlesticks. So yeah, this section is supply and demand, the concepts of supply and demand, and market structure, support and resistance, volume and price action. That's a skill that you're learning right now that's transferable anywhere. And yeah, technical analysis is very powerful. And no matter where you go, you're gonna find people that say, "Oh, it sucks," blah blah blah. But it's just another tool to make money, and it works. There's people, especially me, like I don't use fundamental analysis when making my basic trading decisions. Like, if I'm gonna find a scalp or a trader, whatever like that. Just technical analysis is all I need to make a good decision. And I have a friend who trades cryptocurrency. I'm not in cryptocurrency like that at the moment, but he'll do fundamental analysis. He does no technical analysis, and he'll come to me and say, "Hey, can you mark up these charts? Tell me what you think." And sometimes, a lot of the times, the analysis that I do kind of coincides, and like there's confluences between my analysis and his analysis, and we have two completely different styles of analysis. So just the fact that they're able to agree despite the fact that I'm only doing technical analysis shows that, like, yeah, it's just another tool, and no matter what, I can still make sound decisions, and you can still make sound decisions just by looking at the chart and understanding the supply and demand relationship and the price action, and understanding the volume and everything like that. And that's what technical analysis is. There's lots of different ways to do technical analysis, and none of them are wrong. None of them are inherently right. It's like an art and a science. You just got to figure out what works for you. And honestly, as a beginner, the best thing I could tell you is just stick to the basics and keep it as simple as you can, because that's all you need to make money. That's all you need to make money.